I'm Matthew Betancourt.
And I'm Rick Betancourt. Welcome to our home, Betancourt Manor, Midtown Toronto.
When you enter our home, you walk into our dining room / entry space.
And originally this was the living room, but we felt it was more conducive to a dining room, so we kind of switched it up.
I think when most people approach designing for the holidays, they layer in their Christmas stuff and then they also remove some of their daily decor. When you look around our room, we're not taking out chairs to add our Christmas tree. Our Christmas decor is always an extension of our home decor on a daily basis. We love our ombre tree. We think it's unique. None of our friends have anything that's quite like it. We really want to stay true to that ombre look, so you'll see that the black ornaments sit at the top and the gold ones sit at the bottom, and then the ombre continues with the ornamentation that we add to it.
We really try to layer in a lot of pieces that really represent who we are as a couple and how we like to live. Matthew has a fascination for rocks.
I don't know why, but they bring us a lot of happiness. So whenever we can, we do incorporate them, and especially around the holidays, you'll find them in the way we wrap our presents. You'll see them in the fireplace logs, as well as our place cards on our dining room table.
On our drive from Vegas to LA, he made me stop so he can collect rocks off the side of the road. Yes.
Oh, they were different.
Yeah, I had explained to Customs why we have a bag full of rocks.
It was 2 rocks.
The kitchen / living room is actually an open space, and I really like that a lot because it allows us to have conversations with the kids while we're cooking our meals. It allows us to really just keep everyone together and just having a great time.
At Betancourt Manor, we also design wallpapers and textiles. As you'll see in the kitchen, the backsplash is one of our printed vinyls.
We just try to infuse that geometric print into the home. It does have a little bit more color because it is the pop of green, but we felt that with the all-white kitchen and the butcher block countertops that needed that little bit of pop to the backsplash.
You'll see a lot of fresh greens. You'll see some fun textile elements that speak to what's going on with the gift wrap, as well as layering in fun little items that we've collected over our travels.
For me, one of the coolest finds we've ever found through one of our trips in Chicago actually were these dining room chairs that Matthew actually spotted, and I kind of at first was like, I'm not sure. They actually were $25 each, and then came to find out afterwards that they're actually worth $5,000. So I was right on that right away, and we had them upholstered in this navy velvet, which we absolutely love.
For me, my favorite element of our holiday decor would have to be our holiday stockings. We have them custom made with some of our Betancourt Manor textiles, and everyone in the family was able to choose which print they liked the most.
I think the thing we love the most about the Christmas holidays is really just having my daughters here for the holidays with us and staying in the city. We don't have to trek too far. It's just great to just be able to have a few days off work and just really sit down and relax with the family and just have those good times and those memories that, hopefully the kids are going to have for years to come.